Thank you so much for all the love. This is absolutely insane.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and also to the very first episode and also to the day one of the Under 25 Fest. The event was really hectic, but I ended up having a lot of fun with my friends, so all in all, it was pretty worth it.
It's a random guy photo for me.
Nicholas, how is it going? That is not...
भाई देखो मेरे को यशराज यूट्यूब पे मिल गया मैं खुश हूँ.
How are you liking it here?
I am thirsty, I need water.
One thing about the event was that it was really far, so travel was a bit of a pain, but I made it just in time for the event. Anyways, let's talk about the panel. So the panel that I was covering was with MC STAN Anuv Jain, Apoorv and Aayushman Sinha. This panel personally was something that I was really looking forward to, as it seemed like a crazy blend of people, and wow, the crowd really responded in that sense. We also got a chance to listen to Anuv Jain sing Barishein and MC STAN rap live on stage. I was basically pretty much free after that, so...
Ready to ride?
But yeah, we want to go drive
Have a bumpy ride.
Yes, that.
I'll follow you guys, huh?
Got the bike for free because Sim's hot. But
Okay, we're going in the cloud. Trust in me. मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा, मैंने सुन लिया.
Sim's driving home. This also she'll crash. It's the PSA. It's the PSA. I later went to catch up with Aayushman for dinner, where I also ran into Yashraj and Anuv Jain as well.
Hey guys, Anuv here. I am with Saharsh right now, and I just want to say hi and thank you so much for the love and support for me.
The thing is that I've been working with these people for closely 2.5 years now, and it always feels unreal to me, and it was such a pleasure finally meeting them. One of the reasons why I'm starting off with the entire YouTube channel and vlogging is because I want to sort of bring together some of the craziest and unbelievable memories of mine in a form of a documentation where I can revisit it time to time to, sort of help process it for myself maybe. But yeah, welcome to the YouTube channel officially. I will not be consistent at all. My consistency is gonna be 0, so please, I'm gonna cut that out. I need to look cool. All the girls have to come to me. Yeah.
I'm the bait.
You are always the bait, bro. Every time I'm outside, I just be like, who's your favorite artist? They'll say Arman and all. I'm like, oh, उसका number मेरे पास है. Call लगाता हूँ उसको.
अबे number मत दे दे.
अरे मैं number नहीं देता.
But yeah, man, I hope you do more and more cool things for me and for other artists and just grow and grow.
Always a pleasure, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dreaming in digital.
Dreaming in digital.